Hi, I'm Claire with MissionReady. Today, we are going to talk about CUI. That stands for Controlled Unclassified Information. CUI is information that the US government wants to protect, but that isn't classified. In manufacturing, that often includes technical drawings, specifications, contracts, shipping details, or anything related to defense work that falls under federal protection categories. If your company works with a prime contractor, receives DoD funding, or handles export-controlled data, there's a good chance you're processing CUI, even if no one calls it that. Under the law, you're required to label CUI when it's stored or transmitted, protect it using controls from NIST SP 800-171, prevent unauthorized access, both physical and digital, ensure CUI stays inside US systems unless special approval is granted. CUI doesn't always come with a warning label. It's part of your responsibility to identify and protect it. Thanks for watching.